Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us. In this tutorial, we're going to show how to create interactive maps in Leaflet.js. Leaflet.js is a JavaScript library that is used for creating interactive maps. So, for the purpose of this tutorial, we have created a folder called map project, and we will open this folder with VS Code. We will use VS Code as our editor. So as you can see, we have opened the folder map project, and in this folder we will create an HTML file, and we can name this file as index.html. So our HTML file is created, and to get the primary structure of HTML code, we will use this exclamation sign and click and enter. So the primary body of an HTML file is here, and we can insert necessary codes to create our interactive map in this file in these sections. So what I am going to do is pretty simple, and most of the tasks will be copy and paste from the tutorial given in the Leaflet website. So here I have opened the website leafletjs.com, and in this website, if you go to the tutorial section, that is here in the tutorial section, beside overview section, if you click, you will get lots of tutorials regarding how to create a quick leaflet map and how to add necessary components. But in this particular tutorial, I'll just show how to create a simple map and some markers with some pop-up. So we're going to use the first tutorial, and that is Leaflet Quick Start Guide. So we're going to use basic CSS and JavaScript code to create our map, and first of all we'll create a layout like this, and then we will add marker and a pop-up, and in another video I'll show other components like how to create circles like this and how to create polygons like this. To make the video short, in this video I'm just going to show you how to create only marker and pop-up. Okay, so first of all, it's said that include leaflet CSS file in the head section of your document. So I'm just going to copy this section and go to my HTML file, and after the title I just paste the code. So my code is here, and then I can change the name of the title as map document. Okay, so when I have added the CSS section, then I will include the leaflet JavaScript after leaflet CSS. So this is with the script tag, it's the JavaScript section. So I'm going to copy that and paste it after the CSS. So it's copied successfully and pasted. Okay, then what I'm going to do is put a div element with certain ID. It can be anything you like, but in this case I'm just going to use the default map ID. So I'll copy this and paste it in the body section. So here my div element is pasted. Okay, so now you can also add some styling for your map, like if you want to add necessary heights and width which will be manifested in your layout, you can add that. For example, here it is shown that height would be 180 pixel. So we can add this map hashtag map to actually create our desired layout. And for this particular purpose, what I'm going to do is open the HTML file, and in after the cross origin, after this CSS, I am going to add a style tag, and here in the style tag I'm going to add that height and width portion to actually customize our map. And I will also add width. So after height I'm going to add width, and I'll change the height to 800 pixel, and the width will also be 800 pixel px. And after the width I will add a margin of 5 rem auto. So this is the styling is done. So this will be manifested in the map. So when I am done with this styling, I can save it, and if I open this with live server, I will get a browser in my Chrome browser. I will get a page in my Chrome browser. So this page is going to open. As you can see, it's opening the map document, and the map is still not visible. So maybe you have got the point that I need to add some more section here from the tutorial. So here you can see that we are not yet done with the total code. So for setting up the map, now you have a blank page here. So to set up the map, what you need to do is to create a variable. So I will copy this code, var map equal to l.map.setView, and you will pass the coordinates in the setView section, and this number 13 is the amount of zooming you desire or you need. And after some time we will see that how changing this number affect the zooming. So for now we'll only copy this code, and I will add this code in the just after the so I will add this code after. Okay, I can cut this command. So okay, so in my body I'm going to add a JavaScript section, and inside this script I'm going to add the variable var map, and when this is added I need to copy this code. You can read the details here to understand it better. And you have added this particular section l.title layer, and now if you go to VS Code and open the HTML file again, you will see that this page is empty. So where is our desired map. So the problem is we have not added the token. So as you can see here, you have to provide your mbox access token. So I can copy my access token, and for that I'll go to the map box. In my Mapbox account, and I have already created an account where I will get my token. But if you haven't created any account yet, you can create your own. It's pretty simple to create an account, and when you create an account, you will get a token inside your page. So from this page I'm going to copy my account, and here I'm going to paste it. So when I have pasted here, if now I save the document and go to the page, here I will see my desired layout. It's loading. So here you can see that I have got my layout, and according to the coordinate, it's in the city of London, the coordinate. But for my own purpose, I will change the coordinate, and to change the coordinate, and I have selected my university hall as the desired location. So if I go to the Google Maps, if I go to the Google Maps, and then this is my university, as I searched earlier, Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology. And in this university I used to reside in a hostel called Ahsanullah Hall, you can see here. And in the Ahsanullah Hall there is a playground, so I want to select this playground as my desired coordinate. So I will just select a point here, okay. When the point is created, it's showing that it's Buet Central Road. So if I just click another point, it's again showing Buet Central Road. Let me zoom out a little bit, and then okay, Ahsanullah Hall ground. So here you can see the coordinate of Ahsanullah Hall ground, and I can just copy the coordinate from here and paste it in my VS Code editor in this section. And if I change this number, you will see that my zooming level will be changed. Just let me take a little bit and go to this page. So now the map layout is centered to Dhaka and around my university location. So if I want to zoom out a bit more, then or zoom in or zoom out, then I can change this number. So for example, if I give a small number like 8 and save the document. Now as you can see, the map is loading and the changed view will be in front of us in a moment. It's taking a while due to the quality of internet speed. So now you see that we have zoomed out very much to an extent that now we can see whole Bangladesh. So but in contrary, if we just enlarge the number and make it bigger, like 17 for example, or maybe 16, and save it, then the map is loading again, and we will see that it will be changed in a while. So now you can see the changed view here, and we have zoomed in quite a bit, and now we can clearly see the Buet area, and here is Ahsanullah Hall beside Shahid Sriti Hall. You can also manually zoom in and out to see where the exact location is in the Ahsanullah Hall. So I had drawn a point somewhere around this position. So now if I want to add a marker to mark this particular location, what I'm going to do is to come here, and in the body I will add a marker. To create a marker, let me go to the tutorial section, and everything is given here. So all you need to do is to just copy it like before and paste it here. So I have added the marker, and let me change the coordinate of the marker to my desired location. Okay, so I have copied it, and let me just make it a bit clearer. Okay, so previously I had missed the parentheses, so I have changed it, and when my marker is added I can see the marker by saving this file. First of all, let me go to the map document. You can see that there is no marker here, but if I save the document and come to the page again, we will see a marker. It's loading. Okay, while it is being loaded, let me add a pop-up with the marker, so we do not lose much time. So when the marker is added, I'm also going to add a pop-up to the marker. Like above the marker there will be pop-up saying this is something you like to write, or like this is Ahsanullah Hall, this is Ahsanullah Hall playground, like that. So for that reason I'm going to add a marker dot bind pop-up section, pop up, and I can write the message like AUH means Ahsanullah Hall playground, or I can also use H1 tag. So this document is loaded. Now you can see the marker here in this position. So when the marker is added, but if you like to add some pop-up here, you can easily add that pop-up. What I'm trying now. So now if I save the document, I will see this pop-up above the marker. So it's being loaded. So now you can see that if you click in this marker, you will see this message AUH playground. So that was what I was trying to add in this map. But now I will show how to actually enlarge this font so that you can view, or you can see this particular pop-up very easily. Now as we are done with this pop-up thing, we like to make the font bigger and clearer. For that we can use HTML tag in front of the message, and this tag will help us to make the font bigger. Like if I think H1 tag will be very large, which is not in the desired range, so we can use h3 tag. I think this will work in the best possible manner for our purpose. So if I add a h3 tag and keep this message as it is, then I think I will just be there. So I would also like to add a welcome message, welcome to AUH Playground. And if you want to view this particular pop-up message all the time, then you can use a command called open pop-up. But if you remove the message, then you have to click on the marker to actually visualize the pop-up. So let me save the document. Okay, so here it is. You can see that welcome to AUH Playground is being displayed above the marker. You don't need to click it, but if you delete this open pop-up command, then you have to actually click on the thing to visualize the pop-up message. And there are certain other types of ways where you can actually create some pictures with this pop-up, and we can also show you that thing. For example, we can actually, I think we can keep it here and show the necessary things in the next video, where I'll be also adding I think like this circle and this polygon. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to make a circle like this with Leaflet.js and how to make polygons like this, and also I'm going to show you how to add pictures in the pop-up. So till then, bye bye.